Hi, today is Monday 21st, and this is the weekly recap for the new Rhino, adaptive Rhino. Yes, this trade is changing a bit, and would suggest you join the Rhino Slack and ask me questions if you think you don't understand the way it is going. This Rhino has changed for several reasons. One of them is that I do not have as much time as I used to trade. I am now a full-time quant researcher, trader, programmer, and so on and so forth for a prop trading company. And also markets have been really crazy in the last few weeks. You may have seen the decorrelation of VIX with SPX, and more generally, the volatility is high, and I would say that most mentors do not really look or study strategies staying in a high vol environment for a long time. They look at short periods of time where the volatility is surging and then go back to the long-term average. The long-term average volatility for SPX is somewhere around 14, 15, and if you see that now VIX is around 26, 28, and it's been a high for a long time, the trade management must also take that into consideration. Anyway, if you have any questions, come to the Rhino Slack and I will answer questions individually, or you can take part in discussions. So this is the September trade, which I've rolled to September 30th to get a little bit more theta. The trade is recovering. I can probably massage it and certainly move the CCS closer to the money, but also this trade will probably expire at minus 165, as you can see here. So it's still an acceptable loss, and I would not be comfortable taking extra risk closer to expiration. I managed to keep delta flat and no gamma this close to expiration, which is okay to me. If you watch the SPX outlook, we don't really know where the market is going. It's probably going to test 33, 32.80, and then if it breaks, there's a support on 32.50, 3200. So as you can see, we're not out of the woods on this trade. Yes, I will probably try and tune the trade to maintain some negative delta for until the trade expires. Now let's move on to October. October has been doing okay. As you can see, this trade was caught in a VIX store also, but it was easier to handle because it had more time to expiration. So this trade has recovered and now is in positive territory. Here again, I will do as little as possible. The upper expiration line is at $1,100, so it looks as it's going to be a good looking trade. I may still add back some capital onto the trade. We are about a month away, 25 days. So apart from some minor tuning to maybe to improve theta, well, without really affecting gamma too much, we should be doing fine. So no major adjustments, some minor tuning maybe. And November is probably the star of the three. November has been doing pretty well since inception, unless of course the market falls sharply. This trade should be doing very well. We may even increase the profit potential and reach profit target. So not much to say this week. It's been a conservative but safe week considering the roller coaster that could have built up on account of many news last week. SPX may go into a bearish swing. We must be, of course, be careful, but apart from that, the trading week should be quite okay. Thank you for watching. Please join the Rhino Slack if you have any questions. Have a good week and bye for now.